Introducing Selective Absorption Fusion, or SAF, the latest 3D printing technology from Stratasys and the core of our H-Series production platform. Produce high volumes of end-use production parts, print after print. This is powder bed fusion reimagined. SAF's carriage architecture offers a unidirectional one-pass print and fuse process, helping accelerate your production. Dual carriages operate in-line sequentially across the print bed. Our print carriage jets high-absorption fluid onto selected areas of the powder bed. In the same pass, an infrared lamp heats the particles in these areas, causing them to fuse together and form a layer of the part. After a controlled delay, our powder deposition carriage follows. Deposited powder is immediately heated, which benefits process reliability and part quality. All particles experience a consistent exposure to temperature and time, wherever they are on the bed surface, ensuring stable part properties. Proven industrial-grade piezoelectric print heads help keep the jetting fluid flowing freely, circulating at a high rate under a stable temperature for long-lasting, reliable performance. Our big wave powder management helps maintain temperature control, reducing powder aging by immediately recirculating overflow powder. SAF technology reimagines what's possible with powder bed fusion. Maximize production throughput with our one-pass print and fuse process. Trust industrial-grade technology to print reliably and consistently. Print cost-effective end-use production parts in high volumes. Take your production to a new level with SAF additive manufacturing technology.